Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is a very good internship which is available with company called Upstox, which is one of the top notch trading company, and the internship is 50,000 rupees per month. So that is a good opportunity. So just before that, introduction for this company. This is a new age stockbroking company, right? It's called Upstox and it has reported a revenue of 1300 crores for FY 2024. So this is the last year they got 1000 plus crore revenue. So it is a big company and it has seen 25% increase in their revenue every year. And it's a venture capitalist, company which is backed by Tiger Global. So you can see its profits was almost like 190 crores, right? So that is about the company, and currently they have a software development engineer internship position. They are open at Upstox. The job location for this SDE internship is Bangalore or Mumbai, but they will also provide opportunities for the student if you can move to this location for completing it. So in terms of the skill requirement, what they currently having, you require basically proficiency in React JS, Redux, JavaScript, CSS, HTML. So that is the technologies in terms of web where they require expertise, and you should also have a strong understanding of data structures and algorithms. So that is on the backend system side, and also on the front end system there you should be basically keen and experienced to do the front end development which they require, and hands-on experience in SQL is also a plus. So basically we require both the front end skills as well as the back end skills. So all of the students who are coming from CSC or electronics and communication engineering EC branch students, right, they will have minimum DSA and some programming language experience over that, right, which you have for both the basic front end and the back end development. So you are basically eligible and can get through this. Other key responsibilities general is like complex problem solving by applying engineering principles and in leveraging new technologies and tools in IT industry, which is okay. And there will be basically applying your best practices to address the technical or the cognitive related challenges. Now very important thing, who can apply? So currently pursuing a bachelor's degree, so that is a good news. Anybody who is studying in bachelor's program in engineering or master's degree in engineering, specifically in computer science and the computer science related branches, they are basically eligible, right? So any CSC related branches is also good, and if you have computers in like branches like electronics and computer, then they can also apply. Now demonstrate knowledge of computing fundamentals including data structures and algorithms, and the overall internship position will be basically for 6 months internship, right? So that is the currently the application is going on. So now let me give you basically the link also where you can apply. So this is basically the description link. In the description links I have given the direct link where you can click, and it will take you to the basically job application portal, and from where you can apply for this particular internship opportunity. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates. Take care and bye.